seems a bit odd when you're talking about a work of art to talk about what you did to the work of art. But in this instance, it was such a transformation, I thought it'd be worth pointing out. This is by Duncan Grant, the Bloomsbury artist. It's painted in the very early 1920s when he was on holiday in the south of France, in St Tropez, with Vanessa Bell. And when we got it, it was rather dusty and discoloured, and the frame was a non-event. But by adding a frame of this width and this colour, and after some expert conservation, it is astonishing how it's come to life. It's like watering a dehydrated garden, and it's blooming all over. It's a marvellous example now, and wasn't when we first got it, of what this artist could do. And just as a reminder of what he could do, he was massively influenced by the French Impressionists and Post-Impressionists. The term Postimpressionism coined by his friend Roger Fry. And what you've got here with the juxtaposition and schematic rendition of shapes within the landscape and colours and tones is a piece of modernism in oil on canvas. And it evokes their designs that they were doing at the Omega workshops just before this period. It's a deeply satisfying painting, and as you can tell, I love it